Hey, this is Ed, Midwest Landscaping. Over doing a drive-by, a checkup on a project that we installed the turf about a month and a half ago, and just kind of checking on the progress of what's happening here, and everything looks really nice from the standpoint of the growth. And with the rains we've had, that's really helped supplement the lawn, but it looks like the front yard is doing quite well. Looks like the drain has done its thing. Don't have a bunch of washout going on. See, the client's got his fountain going. That's nice. Our Australian tree ferns, like, they're doing pretty decent. But I'm going to come over today and apply some C Extra to give it a little bit more boost. We have a couple areas where it's still repairing, like along the side of the fence here. But all in all, everything looks pretty decent. Will give us some nutrients. I know that we put quite a bit of nutrients down. Humate, the last time I was over, there's a couple dandelion grassy weeds in there. Put those out. But everything looks a lot better than it did like about 3 or 4 weeks back, at least 3 weeks ago, because it was pretty dry. But we've had rains now, a couple rains, so we need to get some stuff going on. It's like the spider plants are starting to kick in. So far so good. Let's take a walk back to the back. We did the backyard maybe 1 or 2 weeks after I completed the front. And I know that we have a drainage issue along here. It's most of that water from the house and from the driveway, it washes down. So you have to see what type of surprise I might have back here in the backyard. Close this up. I think they're doing dog training back here. But wow, here we go. Hey, nice. So this is the backyard training facility. It looks like the grasses and everything is coming in really well. And they're doing some training right now. The client called me up and told me that the sprinklers were not operating correctly, so we're just probably come and turn the system off, because we don't really need the sprinklers on right now because it's been raining so much. So I will come in and shut that down. But man, everything looks really nice back here from the standpoint of the turf establishing it. So we're going to go ahead and do a fertilization to the front. Yeah, everything looks really nice. I think it's growing really well. All the nutrients and stuff we put in, look like they're doing pretty well. But yeah, everything looks great. So far so good. And this is February. Just wait until the warm season starts, when this is active growing season, which is May going into the rest of the summer. This should really kick in well. I'm really happy with the results and what's going on. Thank you, Southland Sod.